Good day, subscribers, followers and angling friends. So yeah, we're on our way to a new venue that I saw on Facebook, Serenity. It really looks nice, comfortable. It'll only be me and Corneels, my white-haired terrier, that will be making this. This was done in record time. It was like 2 hours or 3 hours ago. I decided I have to go fishing today just to get a bit away from Joburg and the hustle and the bustle. And it's also nice to get to a place where the sun is shining and the rain is not pouring down. So yeah, we're on our way there. My last 5 trips I went to Lapa. I was aiming to catch the biggest fish I've caught in my life, and in 5 sessions I broke my PB 3 times, but I blanked twice. So I just thought, maybe for a change of scenery, let's go to the river again. Those hard fighting river carps, we're gonna try for them to catch a bit more than 1 or 2 fish. So let's see how it goes. I will be applying my favorite method for casting, and that's solid bags, but I'll show you guys step for step how I make them, the presentations, everything. And yeah, let's see how it goes. But just have a look what the the traffic and the weather looks like. It's grey, it's raining, it's cold, and the traffic is very slow. So let's go to a better place. Cheers.
Are you ready to see?
What a view. Serenity, Orkney Northwest. My deck that I fish off. Yeah, guys, this is peaceful. Yeah, only 2 guys fishing here. Dead quiet. I'll show you the rooms a bit later. Okay, just a quick look at the room. I booked the barn out because it's only myself and Corneels, my dog. Okay, small little table. I don't know, maybe you want to sit and work while somebody else is fishing, who knows. Cupboard, bedside tables for lamps and things. There's a backup lamp if the power runs out. Small fridge. You've got a microwave and a TV. Yo, it's luxurious at the fishing with a TV, eh? 2 single beds. This is the smallest unit. That's for 2 people. There's your kettle, cutlery. Quickly go into the bathroom. Let's have a look. Place for your towels, toilet, basin, a big shower. More than enough if you're here for the fishing. Let's have a view from the outside, from the inside out. There you can see the river. It's really beautiful. But guys, please always remember, you're fishing at a river, so there must be a slope. Take that in context. The drop off is not long, so you don't need a long landing net. It's just the up and down walking. Just remember to take your stuff down, leave it there, bring it up. When you finish the up and down, will give you calves like Arnie. Hy's aan die ou.
Ja, ek dink dit is aan.
Ja. Wat is dat net so? Wat sê? Welkom by die Vadervuur. Lekker man. Ja, ek glo vir lekker gewig het, hoor.
Ja. Wat is so awesome wil doen?
Hierdie kant het ek opgesit, dit 'n enkel geel mielie.
Ja.
Plastiese geel mielietjie.
Gaan nou, as jy wil net aansien. Mooi worry.
Dis dan maar lekker gelyk hoor.
Ja,
Daar's niks wat saam met dit kom nie. Ek kan maar sê wat hulle wil. Ek sê nie alles is sleg nie. Maar ek het nie 'n probleem met Shimano kategorie nie hoor.
Nee, ek ook nie. My Shimano's is shop. Ek is 'n Shimano man. Al my katrone. Ek het 10.000.
Ek dink jy hemp het jou weggegee.
Ja, ek het 8.000. Ek het 6.000. Ek het 4.000. Ek het nou nog nie toe daar. Ja, dis mooi vir. Nou met kortstokke in die rivier nie. Jy het baie lekker gevoel met jou vis.
Ja, maar het bly diep hoor, maar sommer net so diep is hierso.
Ja,
En hier is op die einde gaan ek hom sien. Oh, op iets te baber nie. En daar is wel 'n bietjie ver van my af, daai borrel.
dis wel gesien.
Het jy daai borrels gesien wat ek gegooi het?
Ja, kijk hier.
Dan het lekker gewig aan hom, ek gaan dit definitief voel.
Nee, is 'n mooi vis. Lewendig.
So die Engelsman sê, setting the tone for tonight.
Ek wonder hoeveel kans het ek in my lewe met koel mieliepitte gehad.
Hè?
Koel mieliepitte.
Ja,
Die blikkies
nee.
koel. Nee. Nee, werk nie.
Dis 'n goeie eerste fight, ek moet jou sê, ek is baie beïndruk.
Ja. Nee, die vierkant is anders. Damkar. Hy skyn hier baie.
Ja,
Hy was
barber,
op 'n barber.
'n bloody barber.
Maar met op 'n mieliepit.
Ja. Ek het daar met 'n melkkaai opgevang op hierdie plastiek mieliepitte, jy kan nie glo nie.
kry baie van die manne kry.
Lekker, maar wat daar 'n bietjie testing is jy het hom net 1.6 meter af na die water toe. Om jou vis uit te kry moet jy 'n lang skep net hê. Nee, is regte size water nie. En as jy my decent fight gegee, het definitief my arms opgewarm.
Ja, jy moet hom sommer vir die swart mens gee.
Dis nie die target species nie, maar dis 'n dik ou, hoor. Oh. Man, nee. Hy kyk op weg, hoor. Sien. Good morning. Okay, so we got into bed quite early last night. We had a decent sleep. It's 6:30 now. I'm at the water side again. So we'll fish till about 10ish or so and see what else we can get. And yeah, I'll update you guys as the fish comes in. If there's anything really decent, I would put the extra clips. Otherwise, I will just right at the end add them. Yeah, let me show you what it looks like here in the morning. Beautiful, quiet. Really nice. That's my setup. There we go. I'm sure you guys know it by now. Oh, I changed a bit. I got the RX Pluses. I'm trying things out now. Oh, I love that sound it makes when it goes off. You see, that's where the jetty where I fished at last night. It's totally now submerged by the water, so I had to move a bit. But yeah, that's a river fishing view. The thing about river fishing, it shows you your real speed. Yes. Lekker man. Two rods. I think it's this one that's gone over that one. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Doesn't feel big. It feels naughty. Yeah. Sure. There we go. The first decent run for the morning. We had another funny one just now, just a bite. But this one really feels decent again. Oh, it feels like a bobble. Oh, come on. Don't want to sound like I'm not thankful, but that's definitely not the target species. Ah, is 'n karp. Kan jy my dalk help met die skep net asseblief, Sybrand? Ek dog dit is 'n barber want hy bly onder. 'n Mooi karpie. Baie mooi. Lekker man, 'n rivierkarpie. Klei soos 'n champ. Moet net nie besluit om onder hierdie jetty in te gaan nie, want ek kan nie nou sien. Yes, I can't even see how deep this jetty is. Yeah, the problem comes with the jetty. It's gone under the jetty now. It's under the jetty. Stuck under the jetty. Oh, ja, hij is nog aan. Ik voel hem nog staan. Ik voel hij is om iets. Ik voel ik hier zo sê. Hij is hier om hierdie wat ook al hier so was, wat ek nie nou kan onthou nie. As hy af in die vis. That's fishing. Sometimes they're allowed to win as well. Hey guys, we're on our way home. This morning no fish. We had 3 runs. One nice carp, but it took me under the jetty and it came off. The other 2 was nice runs, but as soon as I picked up the rod there was nothing. Very weird, used the same rigs, everything. But that's fishing, eh? The one thing about river fishing, I must say, it's a bit more effort getting up and down to the river banks, and the river came up quite a bit last night. So it lifted up and there was a lot of stumps and things that came down that made it a bit more difficult, but it was still very enjoyable. And Serenity is definitely a venue I will visit again. I'll bring my wife with. It's nice and quiet. So yeah, thank you for viewing and have a nice day.